Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zapier to automate insurance quote follow-ups, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Zapier to automate insurance quote follow-ups, start by creating a Zapier account if you don't have one already. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button in the top right corner. Begin by selecting your trigger app, which could be a CRM or a form tool where your leads are being collected. Search for your selected app and click on it. Next, choose a specific trigger event that will initiate the follow-up workflow, such as new form submission or new lead. After selecting your trigger, click Continue. You'll then need to connect your app account to Zapier by following the prompts to authenticate. Once connected, you'll set up the trigger by selecting the specific form or criteria you want to monitor. Test your trigger to ensure Zapier can pull in sample data. With the trigger set up, click Continue to move to the action step. Now, select the action app where you want to send the follow-up communication, such as an email service or a messaging app. Search for your desired app and click on it. Choose the action event that corresponds to sending a follow-up, like send email or send message. Click Continue. Next, connect your action app account. You'll now need to customize your follow-up message. You can include variables from your trigger data to personalize the communication. Once your message is set up, click Continue. To test your action step, Zapier will send a test follow-up based on the data collected. Make sure to check if the test was successful. If successful, click Turn on Zap to activate your automation. Your Zap will now run in the background, automatically sending follow-up messages for new insurance quotes. Remember to monitor the performance of your automation and make adjustments as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.